On this episode, we talk external drains, and yes, the yellow Nikes are back. Alright guys, on today's site visit, I wanted to talk to you about external drains, why you should have them and where you should put them. So this one here is here for a particular reason, because as you can see, the slope of this property will fall down from there, down the hill to here, so this could become a collection point for water. So it's very important to understand when building your home where the water can collect. So this one here, like I said before, this could become a collection point for the water. So we've preempted it and we've made sure we put an external drain point. So let's go for a bit of a walk. I'll take you down the side of the home too, where we've put another one and why we put it there as well too. Now, you need to understand the flow of the water and understand where these things are going to be used. So as you can see, we have another one right here. It's always good to try and put them down the side of your house as well too. Afterwards, when you do your concrete footpaths or whatever the way you're going to do, there's always somewhere for the water to run away. Now, as you can see here, the site's been dramatically cut, so you can see this will have some retaining walls later on, so this could become another collection point for the water as the property falls from the front all the way down to the back. So there's another one there, and as we move down to the back just a little bit more, we see another one right here as well too. Other places you may decide to put these external drain points is underneath an external tap, so it allows for the water not to sort of collect in that as well too. So guys, when you're talking to your builders, when you're designing your homes and you have a bit of a slopey block, you know, most best practice builders will take this into consideration and put the external drains in so the water can flow away. But you know, it's always good for you just to make these things aware, to understand that if you do have a slopey block and you do feel like there's going to be some places where the water is going to collect, ask the question. Another place is also too, if in the front of your garage, to make sure you have a strip drain, it's going to fall back in there as well too. We have done some other site visits on that as well too. So guys, if you are in the process of getting your site drainage done, definitely find out if you're going to need some external drain points. And if there's anything you want me to cover, if anything you want me to cover on an upcoming site visit, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to get out there and show you guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye for now.